Knowledge Suitcase presents Why Music Sound Good. Have you ever wondered why music sounds so pleasing while a car horn or a jackhammer might make you cover your ears? Today on Knowledge Suitcase, we explore the characteristics of musical sounds and discover what makes some sounds musical and others just noise. Let's start with a simple question. What's the difference between noise and music? While noise is created by irregular, non-periodic vibrations, think of a slamming door or a crashing wave. Musical sounds are the result of smooth, regular, and periodic vibrations. This is why a tuning fork sounds pleasant while a jackhammer doesn't. Now let's talk about intensity. Intensity determines how loud a sound is. It depends on three main things. 1. The amplitude of vibration. Hit it harder and it sounds louder. 2. The distance between the source and the listener. Closer sounds louder. And 3. The density of the medium sounds travel better through solids than gases. And yes, we measure intensity in units called decibels. Next up is pitch, the highness or lowness of a sound. Pitch is determined by frequency. More vibrations per second mean a higher pitch. A child's voice sounds higher than a drum because it vibrates faster. Our ears can usually hear from 20 to 20,000 vibrations per second. That's 20 hertz to 20 kHz. Finally, let's talk about quality or timbre. Why does the same musical note sound different on a violin, a flute, and a piano? It's because of overtones. A pure tone, like from a tuning fork, has no overtones and sounds dull, but real instruments produce a mix of the fundamental tone plus overtones, making the sound richer and more unique. So, what makes a musical sound? Three key things: intensity, how loud it is; pitch, how high or low it is; quality, what makes it sound like itself. Whether you're a musician, a science student, or just a curious mind, knowing this helps you appreciate sound at a whole new level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Suitcase. Drop a comment below which musical instrument's sound do you love most. Thanks for watching.